Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for fast, reliable, and affordable web hosting in 2025? Today I'm going to show you a special Hostinger offer and exclusive promo codes that can save you a massive amount on your hosting plan. Stick around because this deal could be the perfect way to launch your website without breaking the bank. Let's be honest, choosing the right hosting provider can be overwhelming. Slow servers, downtime, confusing plans. It's easy to make a costly mistake. That's why Hostinger is such a great option. It offers lightning-fast WordPress hosting, easy setup, and affordable pricing. Plus, with the right promo codes, you can save big instantly. Here's why Hostinger stands out for your website. Lightning-fast performance, SSD storage, and optimized servers keep your site loading in seconds. 99.9% uptime guarantee. Your website stays online and reliable for visitors. One-click WordPress installation. Perfect for beginners who want to launch a site quickly. 24/7 customer support. Get help anytime via live chat, ideal for beginners and pros alike. Free SSL and daily backups. Security and peace of mind included. Now, let's talk savings. Here are some of the latest Hostinger promo codes for 2025. Hostinger 50, save 50% on your first hosting plan. WP20, get 20% off selected WordPress packages. Web30, enjoy 30% off annual subscriptions for a limited time. If these codes don't work, no worries. I've included a special affiliate link in the description that automatically applies the best available discount, so you never miss out. Pro tip, Hostinger deals like this are limited time offers. If you're serious about starting your website, click the link in the description now to grab your discount before it's gone. Another tip, choosing an annual plan with a promo code gives you the best value, especially if you want a long-term website or blog. So that's it. If you want fast, reliable, and affordable hosting, Hostinger is a solid choice. Click the link in the description to grab your exclusive Hostinger discount and start building your website today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more hosting and WordPress tips, and comment below with your website idea. I'd love to hear what you're building. Remember, with the right hosting and the best promo codes, your website can be fast, secure, and ready to grow. And Hostinger makes it simple in 2025.